What's up, family? My name is Trail, and today we have new states being approved for the SNAP emergency allotments for the month of November. I also have some states that are paying their benefits in the month of December as well. In addition, I want to share with you the remaining states that still need to pay out their October allotments. In addition, we have a new state that has just been approved of free school meals for the next school year. This is something that multiple states saw during the pandemic, and it looks like it might be coming back again. And last but not least, we have 3 more states that are sending out new stimulus checks by the end of this month, and they range between $400 and $1,000. Also, I have new information regarding the summer P-EBT program, in which we have payout dates for about 10 different states. These are going to be sending out $391 payments to eligible families. But before we get started, guys, hey, you already know what to do. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, as well as hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now let's go ahead and start with the video. Okay guys, let's start this video off with announcing the remaining states for the October emergency allotments. And here they are: California, November the 26th, Kansas, November the 21st through the 30th, Minnesota, November the 8th through the 30th, New Hampshire, November the 18th. And those are the remaining states for the month of October that still need to distribute their benefits, which they are doing so this month in November. Now let's go over the November emergency allotments that are still going out as of now. We now have payout dates for about 35 states, and here they are. Alabama, November the 30th. California, December the 17th. Colorado, November the 5th through the 11th. Connecticut, November the 16th. Delaware, November the 22nd. DC approved on the regular issuance dates. Guam, November the 18th. Hawaii, December the 12th. Illinois, November the 21st through the 29th. Kansas, December the 21st through the 30th. Louisiana, November the 5th, the 12th, and the 19th. Maine, November the 11th. Maryland, November the 4th through the 23rd. Massachusetts, December the 2nd. Michigan, November the 12th through the 21st. Minnesota, December the 6th through the 29th. New Hampshire, November the 3rd and on the 18th. New Jersey, November the 1st through the 5th. New Mexico, November the 1st through the 30th. New York, November the 14th through the 28th. North Carolina, November the 22nd through December the 1st. Ohio, November the 21st. Oklahoma, November the 10th through the 15th. Oregon, November the 10th and the 29th and on December the 1st. Pennsylvania, November the 16th through the 30th. Rhode Island, November the 3rd. South Carolina, November the 1st through the 19th. Texas, November the 3rd through the 10th. Utah, November the 26th. Vermont, December the 14th. Virginia, November the 16th. Virgin Islands, November the 19th. Washington, November the 2nd through the 20th. West Virginia, November the 2nd, and then a final run on December the 14th. And lastly, Wisconsin, November the 19th. And those are all of the states that we have for October and November. Those are all of the states for November as well that we are going to be receiving thus far. And we should start receiving the December dates later on this week. So be sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any future updates. Now, before we go any further, guys, I want to remind you about getting the Amazon Prime membership for free for 30 days or even as much as 6 months. It's almost Black Friday next week as well as Christmas season, and it's a perfect way to get all of your shopping done online with free shipping. You can also enjoy the unlimited free movies, TV shows, music streaming, books, and magazines. Or if you already have the membership, make sure that you are getting the discounted rate. And yes, it is true. If you receive any government assistance such as the WIC program, SNAP program, EBT, or the TANF program, or anything like that, you are eligible to get the discounted rate of just $6.99 per month, which is half of the normal cost. But anyways, hey, if you're interested in that, all of those links will be down below. Sorry guys, I left this part out of my video, but I do want to go ahead and go over the summer P-EBT benefits because we have several states that we now know when exactly we can expect expect these summer P-EBT benefits to be actually paid out. And here they are. We have Arizona is going to be paid out this month of November. California sometime between November and December. Colorado in the middle of December. We just found that out. Connecticut between November and December. For Florida, it's going to be between October and November. So those are still going out right now. As well as Georgia, we are going to be receiving those summer P-EBT benefits in December. And then for Kansas, between October and November. For Nebraska, sometime in December. Oregon, we just found out that those benefits are not going to be paid out until next year, between January and February. And then for Texas, the summer P-EBT benefits are going to be paid out sometime at the beginning of December. So anyways, guys, that is exactly what we have so far, and hope that information was helpful to you. Starting off, let's talk about the state of New Mexico, in which they have just approved of $52.8 million in food assistance. Yes, guys, it says right here that benefits allocated for about 91,000 children under the age of 6 years old in the latest P-EBT issuance. Yes, guys, the New Mexico Human Services Department today announced families of 91,000 New Mexico children ages 0 to 5 years old will receive additional food benefits this fall for 2021 through 2022 child care and summer P-EBT programs on the gradual schedule. Yes, guys, like I said, $52.8 million has been approved for the P-EBT benefits. And yes, guys, it talks about it right here where the P-EBT issuance will be distributed in monthly amounts on the following schedule. And as you can see, guys, I'm not going to read all of this, but it does talk about the benefits for August of 2021 will be issued between October 26th and the 27th. And then also the benefits for the May of 2022 will be issued on November the 15th. So that was a couple of days ago, as well as these other benefits for March and April. Those are also issued throughout the month of November. But what we want to talk about is the summer P-EBT benefits, guys. And that is what it's saying right here, that benefits for the summer P-EBT benefits for the state of New Mexico will be issued on November the 16th. So that was yesterday, guys. So again, guys, if not yesterday, hopefully today, definitely check that out so that you know exactly when you're going to be receiving that money from the summer P-EBT benefits. Now, again, like I said, this is for New Mexico, and those particular benefits have been issued out, and it looks like that is the last amount of these P-EBT benefits for the state of New Mexico. But anyways, guys, moving on to the state of Colorado, we do have some very good news in regards to the P-EBT benefits. We now know exactly when we can expect to receive those particular benefits to be paid out. And as you can see right here, the particular question on the fact sheet says that when will the P-EBT benefits be available for Colorado? And as it says right here, guys, that June through August of 2022 will be sent out and distributed around the middle of December. So guys, these particular P-EBT benefits are going to be issued next month, sometime in the middle of the month, but at least we know exactly when we can expect to receive these particular P-EBT benefits in the state of Colorado. But also, guys, for the state of Colorado, we did receive some huge information that just came out less than 48 hours ago, and that is in regards to universal free school meals for Colorado. Now, it says that Colorado students may soon have access to free meals in all of the state's public schools. According to unofficial election results, more than 56% of voters are in favor of the Proposition FF, which is free meals, which aims to help pay for school meals by reducing state tax deductions for those making more than $300,000 per year. Now, they are saying that if this is passed, which, like I said, the majority of the votes was in favor of this, but if it does pass by a majority of voters, then Colorado will offer free breakfast and lunch to all public school students, regardless of their income levels, during the 2023 through 2024 school year. Now, again, the Healthy School Meals for All program will raise around $100 million to pay for these meals, which advocates say will be crucial in addressing food securities for tens of thousands of students across the state of Colorado. So again, guys, that is definitely some huge information in regards to Colorado. And if you don't recall, we have seen this in multiple states doing the same thing in regards to free breakfast and lunch meals for school students during the pandemic. We saw multiple states offering this as well. So will we continue to see this in the next school year, especially as we are entering or already into this particular recession? So anyways, guys, hopefully that does come out for multiple millions of school students out there. And if we do, I will keep you guys updated as usual. But moving on to our next state, which is the state of Texas, my home state, which a lot of you always comment down below saying that we never hear anything from the state of Texas. And that is pretty much in regards to our governor, Greg Abbott. But right here, guys, we did receive this information just yesterday, so it is very hot off the press, in which the governor, Greg Abbott, has announced $1.4 billion in pandemic food benefits for Texas families. Now, it says that the governor announced that the Texas Health and Human Services Commission has received approval for the U.S. Department of Agriculture for a fifth round of federal pandemic electronic benefit transfer, or P-EBT, food benefits for Texas families with children who temporarily lost access to federally funded summer meal programs during COVID-19. Now, the state of Texas continues to work to ensure that families and children impacted by school closures have access to nutritious meals, according to the governor. He said in a statement that, look, I thank HHSC and T for working with the USDA to provide these food benefits for Texas families across the state. So again, guys, this is pretty much the fifth round of pandemic food benefits for Texas. And yes, they have received and approved of $1.4 billion in benefits to approximately 3.5 million eligible children in the state of Texas. So again, guys, this is definitely some great information right here. And Texas people and families are going to be able to receive these particular benefits very, very soon. And hopefully we will continue to see more news in the state of Texas. So those of you out there that are asking me in the comment section that we should start receiving more information from the governor, Greg Abbott. And last but not least, guys, we do have three particular states that are sending out stimulus checks or direct payments before the end of this month. So I definitely want to let you guys know of those particular states. Right here, it says that 3 states giving out between $400 and $1,000 checks in the month of November. And those checks are pretty much going out within the next 1.5 weeks, guys. As we know, Thanksgiving is around the corner. But again, guys, it says that Americans living in a few states can expect to see cash worth up to $1,050 this month of November. And it says right here that the first state that we have on the list is California. They are still trying to issue out those rebates that are worth $1,050. These started back in October and going to be going through the month of December. And those checks have already been going out, and they are continuously going out every single week. But again, guys, they're expected to be receiving and giving those direct deposit checks and payments by the end of this month. So be on the lookout of that for those of you that live in the state of California. Also, we have the state of Idaho, and they are issuing around as much as $600. It says that thousands of Idahoans are in line for more cash by Thanksgiving. So these could be Thanksgiving checks, and these should be arriving in the mail by next week. And these checks are worth up to $600 for couples. Each individual will earn a minimum of $300, but like I said, guys, it could be as much as $600. And according to the governor, Brad Little, he said that the state has issued around 192,000 rebates worth around $133 million. And last but not least, we do have the state of New Mexico, in which residents are getting at least around $400 in relief payments. And these particular payments should be going out by the end of this month. The deadline to apply for those was actually on October the 7th. So you've already missed that deadline. But again, these checks are expected to be given out and arriving before the end of this month. So again, guys, like I said, those are 3 particular states that are giving out direct payments of between $400 and $1,050. So again, be on the lookout for those, because a lot of these ways or going out in the mail. But for some of you out there that have direct deposit, be sure to check on that as well. You don't know exactly which way you're going to be receiving those. But anyways, guys, hey, I hope all this information in this video was helpful to you today. Well, anyways, guys, hey, that's all I have for you today. But don't forget to take advantage of the offers mentioned down below, such as the free Amazon Prime membership up to 6 months for free, which is perfect because Black Friday and Christmas is around the corner. So you're going to have some extra time on your hands. But anyways, hey, if you enjoyed today's content and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. And if you like today's video, then go ahead and hit the like button for us. It really helps out this channel, as well as it tells YouTube to share this video with others. But anyways, guys, hey, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.